tracking, and it says sync, and you're telling me that's not a problem. All right, look, you already have acknowledged that you are aware of the screenshots I've sent. This is 152. Even Google is telling me this is not my IP address. This is my IP. Google tells me this is not my IP, that the Mac is using is not my IP address, but you're telling me everything is okay, right?
Right,
There's the address. Yeah. All right. So I'm not gonna bore you to death. We've already gone through all the screenshots. You're telling me usage tracking and mouse tracking, all of that is okay.
Yes.
And remote access, REMOTE, all of this is okay. Like remote profile view, that's normal as well.
Right. If you're using Safari or you're using Google. Did you have a question about Google?
No, I don't have a question about Google because Apple
Yeah.
wants to.
So if you're using any third-party software that you have access, that you use, that process may appear in here. But these are all Apple processes that you're looking at.
Right. So you can see, and let's make sure there's a common understanding. Let me go to applications, and you can see exactly all the applications I have. I have Adobe, which I rarely use. And who else do I have? I think that's the only thing I have that's foreign, which I don't even use. And VLC.
You have Adobe Reader.
And VLC.
You have Safari. I don't
Well,
see any third-party applications here. VLC and Adobe.
That's it. That's all I have. Okay, nothing else.
That is correct.
So, so where it says account profile remote view services, and that's common, that's expected behavior, you're saying.
I'm sorry?
You're saying this is expected behavior, this is normal for it to say.
These are all expected behaviors.
Mm-hmm. And isn't it supposed to give me some information down here?
No, there's not any information available, no.
So no information for down here. All right. What can I tell you? The Mac also says, well, hold on, cancel. Go back here. Users shared, and there's February the 6th. Look, I don't know what else to show you. It tells me there's a user 0, night mode switch user. There's a user 0. There should be who is user 0?
Okay.
Here it says this user is not allowed access to the Windows system right now. No, I see it all the time. Right?
This is everything that was reviewed by our engineer.
Yep,
managed. They could not find it.
And they could not find it. No problem, even though it says manage client, and shouldn't be a managed client, and still not a problem. All right. So this is from engineering. After seeing everything, there's still no problem.
The engineers have reviewed everything that you've submitted to them.
Right. All right.
Yeah.
Usage tracking. Okay, so we've turned off. There's usage tracking agent, and sync. All right, I've sent everything to you guys. There's nothing else I can send to you. If that's the way it's going to be, that's the way it's going to be. So now, that's the end of the story. I am not. Hold on a second. Hold on 1 second. Console. So I go. Let me undo this, and I go. So Bluetooth is disabled, but Bluetooth seems to be a prominent process. Is that expected behavior? Same like cloud. I never use cloud. I didn't sign into cloud, but it's signed in.
You're signed in now.
Yes, but I don't. I'm signed in with my Apple ID. Does that automatically mean that I use cloud?
You're signing with your ID. Right. You're signing with your Apple ID. If you have, it has the ability to sync the information that you have checked off. All you need to do is check it off. If you uncheck anything, you're just signed in with your Apple ID, which is connected to iCloud. But if you're not syncing any information, nothing is going.
Okay, I'm not syncing anything.
The only thing that you have home, Siri, and
no, everything
photos.
On done. I never
Okay.
I never selected any in the first place.
Okay.
And then I go to family sharing, and I do not family share. Okay, I do not family share. See, no family
Okay,
sharing.
that's fine. Okay.
Hold on. So
All right.
this cloud paired, and that's okay.
Yes, everything that's running right now. There's a normal process for the Mac operating system that you're running. There's nothing nefarious or out of the ordinary going.
Huh. So it's okay to see Bluetooth and iCloud as active processes when iCloud is turned off and Bluetooth is turned off.
Everything ceases when the computer is turned off. If you shut it down, if you close the lid, there may be some activity going on in between the internal processes.
Okay, so
but very minimal.
Okay, I'm just gonna stick with one thing, just Bluetooth. Bluetooth has been off since I've started talking to you. It's always off. So Bluetooth is off, but it's always a constant process.
It's part of the right. It's always the processes. Yes, the processes. You need that there so you can turn Bluetooth on and do it and have it do what it needs to do. Now this is as far as I can break it down because our engineers have pretty much said what you're seeing is normal behavior. There's no really other way I can break down every process
No,
to you.
that's okay. I'm the one every process to be broken down. I'm sticking to Bluetooth, and you're telling me Bluetooth, there's magic pairing here. It said you're telling me even when I turn off Bluetooth and in the menu bar Bluetooth is turned off, it will still be an active process in console and perhaps in activity monitor. And same goes for cloud and family sharing, etc., etc. Is that correct?
Right. These are part of your processes. They may not be using anything, but they'll be there as part of you're in console. You're not in activity monitor right now. You're in console.
No, I'm in console. I'm just saying if it's an active process in console, then potentially it's an active process in activity monitor. Right? Because it's an active process, right? Activity monitor shows
No, you just need to look at activity monitor itself to see what's running. That'll tell you what's running in activity monitor.
Right. And
it'll tell you what it's using. It's telling you what it's using.
Right. And I have seen cloud here, but I don't use cloud. They sharing D is expected because I'm sharing with you, but I see sharing D when I'm not even sharing with anybody. Right? But I just want to clarify what you're seeing right now, including all the screenshots, including me telling you I don't use cloud, I don't use Bluetooth, and I don't use family. So family is a constant process and it's all volatile. Similar to all activities are volatile. Every single one of them. Every single one. None of them are not volatile. All processes here are volatile. But you're telling me this is expected behavior. All are volatile. See, remote view.
Yeah, so your computer, this is all I can say, and I don't know how many ways I can say it, but your computer is running as expected, and this is normal behavior. That's all I can tell you at this point.
No, that's okay. Listen, I got it in the first place. I'm clarifying. I'm showing you at this point. All processes, all activities, every single one are volatile, and you're telling me that's expected behavior.
as far as our engineers have instructed us, there are no issues.
Okay, and according to you, that there's no issue as well, right?
There are no issues. I get my marching orders from our engineering department. So
Yeah.
they told everything that you sent. They stated that it is working as expected. Okay.
I got you. I just want you to know. I'm telling you
All right,
now.
not a problem.
Okay, good. Thank you so much.
No problem. And I'm going to disconnect from your computer now.
Absolutely, yes. Thank you.
All right, and you have a great rest of your day, okay?
You as well.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.